how to create a Kijiji account. So if you want to create a Kijiji account, then first of all you need to open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with, and I'm here with Chrome browser. Simply go for the search bar and search for Kijiji, and after searching here you will have www.kijiji.com. Go for that, and then here on the upper right side you will have register or sign in option. So if you want to create an account, then you can go for register. And now to create your account, first you need to enter your full name on the first blank, and then you need to enter your email address on the next blank, and here you need to create a password. So your password must contain at least 8 characters, 1 uppercase, 1 lowercase, and 1 number and 1 symbol. So make sure to enter a strong password. And after that, here you have to again confirm your password by retyping it. And then you need to click on this box so that you agree to the terms of use, and then you agree that your personal information will be processed in accordance with Kijiji's privacy policy. And after entering all of this information, click on sign up. And that's it. That's how you create your account. And now you can simply go for sign in, which is on the upper right. And here you need to enter your email address and your password, which you have just used to create your account. And then click on sign in. So it says that you need to verify or you need to activate the email. So what you can do is simply open up your mail. After creating your account, you need to open up your Gmail. And here you will have this mail, right? Click on the first mail and then you can go for activate now. And that's it. It will automatically log you into your account. So that's it. That's how you create your Kijiji account, and that's how you activate your account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.